Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the same Google account on your device and the Play Store so licenses match. Once done, make sure Google Play services and the Play Store are enabled and allowed to run in background. Clear cache if installations fail, and free up at least 500 megabytes of storage so downloads complete. You do this first because account mismatch, disabled services, or low storage are the most common blockers when Roblox needs Play Store assets. Now you move into installation and configuration. Open the Play Store, search Roblox, and tap Install or Update. This ensures the Play Store delivers proper APK and dependency links. When prompted, grant storage and any runtime permissions such as microphone or location, because missing permissions can block asset downloads. Once installed, force stop Roblox, clear its cache, and then reopen. This forces the app to re-request credentials and assets from Google Play. To finish, sign into Roblox using the same Google account you used with the Play Store so in-app purchases and game permissions align. Reboot the device to clear lingering locks, then open Roblox and load a simple game to verify assets download. If the game still fails to start, reset app preferences or uninstall Play Store updates to restore defaults, then repeat the install. One key troubleshooting tip. If assets stall, toggle Wi-Fi off and on and try mobile data, because captive networks sometimes block Play Store downloads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.